If your Roku TV has a black or blank screen or the screen is flickering, what you need to do is reset your TV. So what you can do is unplug it for at least 10 seconds and then plug it back in. If the plug is somewhere that it's not easily reachable, you can use your remote. What you do is press home 5 times, then up, and then rewind twice, and then finally fast forward twice. So here my screen is not blank, but if it is, what then you'll do is wait about 30 seconds to maybe a minute, and your Roku TV should do a system restart on its own. So now you can see that it's restarting. It'll actually hit the Roku TV title screen twice as opposed to once when you actually go to the settings system restart. I'm not sure what the difference is, but this should work for all Roku TVs. I only have a TCL and Hisense to test on, but theoretically this would work for all the Roku TVs.